Are you still looking for quality paint protection film for your bicycles? That can be done at your homes or offices. Yes, you heard it right. Chris Works Cycles offers PPF installation home service anywhere in Metro Manila. Worry less and just sit your ass down and do whatever you are doing. And he will take care of your babies. Aero bikes? Yes! He can rap that. Carbon road bikes? Sure. Slap on some good shit there. Off-road gravel bike? Hell yeah! Put some protection on that badass. How about some hardcore shreddings? Fuck yeah! Make those rocks cry like a baby. How about your expensive and lightweight frame? An additional 4 to 5 grams of that film won't be a pain in the ass. Save those shining, shimmering, splendid paint jobs for years with paint protection film. Send a private message on Chris Works Cycles Facebook page and book now for home service installation schedules. Paint protection films are available in matte or gloss finish.